Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Now today's video is gonna be super exciting because I've got a new mystery box on my desk. I have no idea what's inside this box and I'm very curious to check it out. This box was sent to me by Banggood. They didn't tell me anything about it, so I don't know what's inside. We've just got a Banggood sticker on the box. There's nothing else written on it. It's a medium-sized box, not that big. I'm getting very curious to unbox and check it out, so let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this mystery box. Alright, let's open the box and see what do we have inside. Oh, what's this? We've got two tiny boxes over here that says Astrolux. There's nothing written on the box also, but they feel quite light in the hand. We'll come back to them again. First, let's see what else is in the mystery box. Oh, what's this? It looks like some sort of cap. Oh, there's a Banggood sticker on the box. Guys, this looks like a winter cap to me, but why did they send me this? Wait a second. It says Bluetooth on the cap. Wait, Bluetooth? Now what does that mean? Oh, now I get it. I think it's a smart Bluetooth beanie, guys. You know, a Bluetooth hat or a cap or whatever you want to call it. You can just put it on top of your head and listen to the music on the go. I believe this beanie has some wireless Bluetooth headphones stitched inside through which you can listen to the music. That is so cool, right? There's a USB cable over here. Must be for charging this Bluetooth cap. So here's the smart Bluetooth cap, and along with that you get a piece of paper with all the instructions on how to use it. We'll read that later. First, let's check out the cap. I've got a dark grey color one, and it's quite big in size, can easily fit anybody. Let me show you the Bluetooth module. It just says Bluetooth, also has a mic on it, 3 buttons, volume down, volume up and media play pause. The quality of the fabric is very nice. This thing will definitely keep you warm in winter. And here's the other module. It's a stereo Bluetooth cap. That's very nice. So this was one of the product in today's mystery box. We'll power it on and check it out later. Let's see what do we have in those two tiny boxes. Let me open them and show you. We've got some paperwork at the top, a silica gel packet. Let me check the manual. It says Nietzsche LED max 120 lumens output. Oh, now I get it. It's a flashlight, guys. A mini ADC flashlight. Just look at its size. This tiny thing can produce 120 lumens of output. That is awesome. Let me bring it close and show you. It says Astrolux A01. The build quality looks very nice. The body is completely made of aerospace grade aluminum and feels very light in the hand. And along with that, in the box you also have an O-ring and a keychain ring. In the other box also you have the same mini EDC flashlight, but in a different color. These cute little flashlights have 4 light modes. They are IPX8 water resistant and are also 2-meter impact resistant. It's got a rotary head design. That means you need to rotate its head to toggle different modes on it. To power on this torch, you need to insert a battery. Let me show you the battery compartment. You need to insert one AAA battery to power it on. So that was our overview on the Astrolux Mini EDC flashlight. Now let's go and see how it performs. But before that, let's check out the Bakeey Bluetooth Cap. The Bluetooth cap feels really comfortable to wear. It's just like any other regular beanie. You won't feel like there's a Bluetooth module in the cap. But the noise isolation was not that good. It's not an earphone that fits perfectly. It just sits on top of your ear and produces sound. Coming to the audio quality was good. There was very less distortion even at max volume, but the audio output was not that high. Still, for the price what you're paying, you'll be satisfied with it. Now let's check out the Astrolux Nietzsche LED flashlight. This EDC flashlight has 4 modes on it: low, medium, high and strobe. In the low mode, the output is 0.14 lumen, so it's not at all visible. This is medium mode. In this mode, the output is around 7 lumens. It's at least better than the previous mode and is okay for short distances. Now let me show you the high mode. This mode gives a max output of 102 lumens. It's quite bright and lasts for about 30 minutes on a full charge. In the medium mode, you'll get a battery life of around 7 hours. There's also a special mode called the strobe mode, which can be very helpful in case of emergencies. The max beam distance of this tiny torch is 42 meters and is also IPX8 water resistant. I was quite impressed by these tiny EDC flashlights. So that was my video on the mystery box sent by Banggood. We've got some quite useful products today, like this tiny EDC flashlight and the Bluetooth cap. The Astrolux EDC flashlight cost 670 rupees and the Bakeey Bluetooth cap cost 300 rupees. And as a bonus, I'll be giving away both of these products to you guys. To participate in this giveaway, you just need to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. If you're already following, then you're automatically in this giveaway. This event will run for about 2 weeks from today, and the 2 winners will be picked randomly from the comment section. The winners will be announced on both my YouTube channel and Twitter account, so stay tuned for that. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.